Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the Sapphire RX 9070 XT Pulse. Both graphics cards boast impressive specifications and are designed for high-performance gaming and creative tasks. We'll explore their features, performance metrics, and pricing to see which one stands out in today's competitive market. When it comes to performance, the ASUS ProArt RTX 4060 Ti shines with its support for DLSS 3, allowing for enhanced frame rates and visual fidelity in supported games. On the other hand, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT boasts the latest AMD RDNA 4 architecture, which promises improved performance and efficiency. Both cards are designed to handle demanding applications, but their unique technologies cater to different user preferences. In terms of pricing, the ASUS ProArt RTX 4060 Ti is priced at $529, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers and creators looking for high performance without breaking the bank. Conversely, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT comes in at $729, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and performance needs. Both graphics cards come with a range of features tailored for gamers and professionals. The ASUS ProArt RTX 4060 Ti includes HDMI 2.1a and DisplayPort 1.4a for versatile connectivity, while the Sapphire RX 9070 XT emphasizes its gaming capabilities with robust cooling solutions and optimized performance for the latest titles. Understanding these features can help you choose the right card for your specific needs. In conclusion, both the ASUS ProArt GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the Sapphire RX 9070 XT Pulse offer compelling features and performance for gamers and content creators alike. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs, budgets, and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.